Hello everybody, hope you're all doing good. Today we'll be feeding Pudim. It's been a few days, so the last meal he had was on the 7th of July. Today is the 16th of July, so he does need some food. I have two pinkies defrosting in some warm water. I'm going to change all his bedding, collect all the poo that he has around. It's not so much, it's just a few spots. And in the meanwhile, I'll put him in this empty container where I'll try to capture the feeding. Got my pinkies here. Stays on the here it is. Beautiful little snakey. I'll just place him here. Let's feed them. I like to hold the pinky. It seems that it makes it easier for him. Two little pinkies. It's time to get you some more pinkies, man. So, Pudim is fed and we can go ahead with the cleaning. Our boy is here. And that was it. As you've seen, pretty straightforward. Feeding, cleaning, not a lot to it when it comes to taking care of an Hognose snake. I hope you liked this video. If you did, and if you want to see more feedings of Pudim, let me know in the comments down below. And subscribe for more. Thank you. Cheers.